I'm here in Janesville, Wisconsin. We're looking at this 2022 Case IH 8250. It's a 1,000 engine over, I believe, 750-800 separator hours. So it's a 3-season machine. The owner upgraded to a newer one. We sold it new. The customer ran it for 2 seasons. So the current customer ran it. One guy ran it 1 season. Another guy ran it 2 seasons. Been through the full CPO process, so fully reconditioned, ready to go. It's got 620 Michelin duals on it. Change my zoom a little bit. It's got the folding top and a folding unload auger, which saves a little shed space. The dual disc spreaders, which we've had good luck with, really getting the chaff out, especially in beans. And then this is a rear wheel assist combine, so a little rare for this in our area, but overall it's a nice combine, fully field ready, here for sale in Janesville, Wisconsin.